So here we are, it's January in 2022 and we're back onto the Minnow, and as you can see we've got the main part of the boat, and there's the spars for the masts and other parts that I don't know where to go yet, but we've collected some other things, some sailcloth and some rigging and some brass rods. Some of the tools I'm using: a light hammer, some cutters, and lots of brushes and alcohol. I'll be cleaning the hull with a light detergent. I already started on top of the cabin. That's about as far as I want to go so far. I've taken lots and lots of photographs of the rails. These are all brass and how they've been interlocked. See if we can get a closer picture of that. So they've been using brass rods with hooks. I've also connected up the motor, and this all works. It's off a 9-volt battery, and not that this will ever go back in the water, it's just going to be a desk model. So today is going to be giving the upper deck a good scrub. See if we can get some of the brass cleaned off a little bit. It's a bit grubby, as you can see on the capstan. And I have some good brushes. I also picked up this brush, so it's got dual head, and I get into some of the awkward places. Again, I'm using a mild detergent along with some isopropyl just to clean up some of the grub. This is not going to be a complete restoration, it's going to be sort of a medium, so it looks good. So I'm going to get started, and hopefully by the time I finish I'll do another video of the cleaned up upper structure and hull. Thank you.